Keep going. Right there. Right there.
How much? How much?
Push that lever. The other lever. The other lever.
That's cool.
Push the other lever. The ball leather that has the ball on it.
Right hand.
You're nuts. This lever. Yeah! Ha! Yeah! Atta girl. Hello, boys. You riding the tractor, Zach? Zachary? Zachary? Where's your smiles?
There we go.
Where's your smiles? What are you on, Zach? Look up at Mom. Thank you. Hi!
Dump the dump truck?
Can you tip his bill up?
Yeah.
I mean,
Here we go. Look behind us.
can you move his hat up a little
Hat
bit,
up.
Denny?
Yeah.
We want to see his eyes. There we go.
Over here, Zach.
Hi, Zach. Okay,
Look
look
at
at Todd. Say cheese. Tell Todd what you're on, buddy.
Get one more. Head up. There, okay.
Zach, what are you on? Ah, you silly boy. Now we're getting the final grading down.
Well, yeah, you see these truck drivers, they let their trucks run all night. Yeah. They're doing that because they're running power off. Oh, now they got their grading.
The laser thing. I don't know what that's called. Lock! Yay!
Oh, the second one.
No, Darren's laying the second
That's
one.
the first.
I guess we did, but it's there. Wow!
Now. Oh, I'm trying to get it as tight as I can. Wait a minute. We gotta undo the first block? We gotta undo the second block. Why? We want
Oh, you want the
lines to
patterns?
line up.
Oh, yeah. I didn't even see that there were patterns.
Men at work. Airplane. $13 tons of sand and 1.5 tons of stone pavers. And guys with backaches.
a different one. Let me see it. Can I see it, Mommy? Can I see it, Mommy? Can I see it? Mommy, can I see him on little TV?
Yes, I will, buddy.
Should be going over here.
Some method to your madness as far as which pile you grab.
Yeah, there is.
Okay, take a break.
What's left of the piles.
This is mine.
Oh, where's Zachary's? Zachary, where's yours?
You want to know where my name is?
Cool.
Right
Okay.
here. Right here.
That's nice.
Bye
Bye-bye, Black.
Here it goes.
We're going in.
Stay right there.
Uncle Mark's gonna put it in.
bye, Black.
He helped lay the first block, and he's laying the last. What do you think, kids? It's gonna be all done.
Hello, my son.
For Uncle Mark. And his back is now broken.
Step on it, Zach.
I'm going to step on it too.
Oh, but he
Does
wants
it rock?
to scoot it over.
Doesn't.
Can I try it? Okay.
Does it rock?
Not too bad.
Daddy's done, Mama. Let me see it in there. Let me see it in that picture.
It's hard to see because of the sunlight.
Cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
It is nice, isn't it?
No. Count all the blocks.
It always. You guys are sweet. Hi. Are we gonna set up your swimming pool on the patio this summer?
Yeah.
Picnic table.
And your picnic
And
table?
the table and black chairs.
Sure. Oh. What do we say to Uncle Mark and Uncle Todd?
Thank you, Uncle Mark and Uncle Todd.
You're welcome.
Thank you.